Hey, I am Mohammed, an Excel and Google Sheets expert, and in this video, I'll walk you through that how I helped a university professor to convert an Python code into a fully functional Excel workbook for his students. So let me show you. So the client provided me with this Python code and the Python script and a blank workbook in which some tabs are already created. My job is to extract the needed data for each sheet through this Python code and then create formulas for the output sheet as a case study for students. So I utilize GPT-5 and my prompt engineering skills deeply to understand this data, and then I extracted the needed data for each sheet. And after extracting it, it looks like this. All the hidden data sheets are extracted from the Python code. And after this, I run through the code to fill in those two tables sheet, and this was already being created in the code, so after running through it, it was populated very smoothly. At the last, I created some complex formulas for this output sheet. So let me show you. So for each cell, there is a formula created using some product, as you can see in the formula bar, and it was below through as well. So in this percentage tab, first I utilize these 200, 400 distance as a hard coded, but then the client refuses and he wants that it must be changed to the like whenever the distance gets changed by the student. So when I like there is 200, so I will show you the working of this formula. I will add 250 there, and you can see the percentage will immediately get changed. Let's see. So like that, the distance or user controlled, and also I created these two tables as well. So it can show the plant information and the total tons by the product ID for the client. At last, I also added a simple macro for force reloading the all formulas, and then show the last time stamp in the workbook. So let me show you just like that. The macro works really quickly because it was not so long, and the formulas are now depends on the macro, and the formulas are working already really well. It just depends on the macro for being refreshed. So it helps to understand when the sheet was last updated. And after this, I also created a step-by-step guide for his students to understand the model really easily. And now the university professor means my client is really happy with the results, and he is using that workbook in the classroom as a real case analysis for teaching to his students. If you need something like that, like a case study or any kind of Excel model that will be used in your business, and you can let me know. Thank you.